Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to create a public profile badge in LinkedIn. This badge is a fantastic tool for enhancing your online professional presence. It makes it simple for anyone visiting your personal website or blog to find and connect with your LinkedIn profile. We'll walk through the straightforward steps to generate and embed this unique digital asset, ensuring your professional network is always just a click away. First, ensure you are logged into your LinkedIn account. Once logged in, click on your profile picture to access your main profile page. On the right-hand side of your profile, you'll find a section labeled Edit Public Profile and URL. This is where you'll begin the process of customizing your public profile settings and generating your unique badge. It's a crucial step to ensure your professional brand is visible.
If you're finding this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a like. On another note, just like your LinkedIn badge helps you connect professionally, a clean home helps you connect with peace of mind. Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It features voice control, self-emptying, and is totally pet-friendly. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
After clicking Edit Public Profile and URL, scroll down the page until you see the Create a Public Profile Badge section. LinkedIn offers a few different badge styles. Choose the one that visually complements your website or blog. Once you've made your selection, LinkedIn will automatically generate an HTML code snippet. Copy this code carefully, as it's what you'll use to display your badge. Now, take the HTML code you just copied and paste it directly into the HTML editor of your personal website or blog. Make sure to place the code exactly where you want the badge to be visible on your page. After pasting, save your website's changes. Your new LinkedIn public profile badge should now be live, providing a direct link to your professional profile for all your visitors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.